Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's my topic is unemployment in Pakistan, presented by Atka Tabassum Sheikh, BEE Fall 1910, Section C. First of all, we present presentation agenda, introduction, factors of unemployment, society cases by unemployment, causes of unemployment, and conclusions. What is the definition of unemployment? What is unemployment? Definition: the unemployment refers to a situation in which the workers who are capable of working and willing to work do not get employment. Factors: there are many factors of unemployment. Poor governance. Good governance is an essential precondition for employment as it establishes the enabling regularity and legal framework essential for the sound functioning of land, labor, capital, and other factors of market, where good governance is considered to be non-existent in Pakistan and poor governance is taken one of the key underlying causes of unemployment in Pakistan. Second factor is political instability. Political stability is a fundamental to the creation of enabling environment for the growth and development. Unfortunately, the political dilemma has furthermore concerned this issue. And third one is corruption. Corruption is one of the most dangerous sector that eroded Pakistan economic and governance system since its inception. In 2008, Pakistan was ranked as 46th most corrupt country out of 180 countries of the world. The persistently rampant corruption in Pakistan not only jeopardizes its involves of to fight in against unemployment, rather adding to the menace of unemployment from all directions. Suicide cases by unemployment. Over the game period, 1,160 cases of attempt suicides were reported. According to the report, 469 people committed suicide for domestic reasons, 136 because they were unemployed, 130, 193 over disputes within families, 74 over the rejection of marriage proposal, 85 after fights with parents, 96 because of poverty. Major causes. There are many causes of unemployment in Pakistan. Following are discussed. The causes are endless and countless because the major causes of unemployment in Pakistan are as follows: first, economic; second, social; third, financial. Conclusion. What is the conclusion of unemployment? This is the most basic part of this presentation. In conclusion, another erupting challenge standing before Pakistan is widespread unemployment. Thousands of educated graduates are jobless. Hundreds of thousands of unemployed workers are forced to lead their lives below their status. Large-scale unemployment has serious effect on country's production. Also, moreover, the country's population has drastically increased during recent years. Thank you. Thank you so much for this presentation.